Natural home remedies for kidney infection and pain. Turmeric. Turmeric contains an energetic component referred to as curcumin that is a strong antimicrobial agent. Curcumin can also be an anti-inflammatory and anti-yeast agent that can help in inhibiting the development and spread of all types of microbes. You may either consume pure turmeric powder or combine it with food. Alternatively, you may also take turmeric supplements by means of capsules. Apple cider vinegar. Both honey and ACV work perfectly for kidney infections in your body. ACV contains malic acidity that has antibacterial qualities that will help for kidney infections. Combine 2 teaspoons of honey with 1 teaspoon of ACV. Take this combine on regular basis. Water. Take 8 to 10 portions of water, slices of cucumber, lemon, and watermelon and 2 to 3 portions of coconut water. Drink 8 to 10 portions of water each day. You may also try infusing water with flavor by putting slices of fruits. Chill water for a few minutes before consuming. It is also smart to drink coconut water. Yogurt. Take 2 to 3 glasses of plain yogurt and slices of apple, strawberry, or mango. Add fruits for your plain yogurt. Consume yogurt throughout the day. Do this for many days until condition improves. Garlic. Garlic contains an energetic component known as allicin that functions being an antibacterial, anti-inflammatory and antiyeast agent. It's also an antioxidant that cures an array of illnesses. Eating 3 or 4 cloves of raw garlic can resolve kidney infection within a few days. Alternatively, you are able to turn to garlic capsules or supplements.